Good morning all of you. This is D V Prasad, working as Assistant Professor in W Department, DSMR City. Today I am going to explain about DC generator working. So before going to that, first of all we have to know the basic working principle of the DC generator. So basic working is it converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. So coming to electrical also we have two types of electrical energies, whether it is AC or DC. But in a generator we are going to convert AC supply. So according to Michael Faraday's law, he states that whenever the conductor cuts the magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. So the basic formula is N into d pi by dt. According to this formula, we can construct the DC generator, and according to this formula, we can generate the AC supply voltage. So in a DC generator, finally we are getting AC supply, but by using commutator, we can convert AC to DC. So this is the basic formula proposed by Michael Faraday. So here, when N is the total number of turns, which means conductance. N is the total number of turns or conductance, and d pi is the change in flux, magnetic flux, and where dt is the change in time. So, in order to construct the DC generator, we have to produce magnetic flux. So we need magnetic flux. To construct a DC generator, we have to produce magnetic flux. And we know that how can we produce the magnetic flux? By using magnetic poles. So first of all we have to construct magnetic poles. So here I am constructing 4 poles. This is 4-pole DC generator. North pole and south one, and we know that flux nothing but total number of lines of force which is always passing from north to south. So in order to give a support, we need yoke. So yoke is the one of the main part which is using to give support to magnetic poles. So the main working of the magnetic poles is to produce magnetic flux, and this is the yoke. The main purpose of the yoke. So this is yoke, and this one is magnetic poles. So yoke major working is it gives mechanical support to magnetic poles. So in order to increase the flux strength, so initially these are permanent magnets. It gives fixed flux. So if we want to increase the flux strength, we can use external winding. This is known as field winding. So this is the field winding which is using to produce additional flux. So by using this winding we can get the DC flux. So and next one we need one armature. So these are all armature slots. So according to Michael Faraday, whenever conductor cuts the flux, so secondly we need conductors. So these are conductors which are made by either copper or aluminum. So to give a mechanical support to the conductor, we need armature. Since the armature is rotating part and poles are stationary parts. So when we give a mechanical energy to the armature by the prime mover, rotor or armature is going to rotate, and armature conductors also going to rotate. So when the conductor is rotates by using external prime mover, the conductor going to cut the magnetic flux then EMF nothing but voltage which is AC is generated. So the EMF is induced on this conductor, and by using finally commutator we can convert AC into DC. Thank you.